Okay, so in this also Kotobi, so this is like to improve the reading and the listening and also speaking, because the student also can record the story with their voice and share with the teacher. Like they can summarize the story and they make record, and this record will go to the teacher and the teacher can evaluate it. And also the student can highlight any word in the story or add it as the vocabulary entry. This is what I talked before about they can create their own vocabulary, they can create their own dictionary. So this will be something very, very good. So this is like the upcoming action. I know this workshop is general because of course I can't speak specific about each year group. So it will be specific workshop for Arab and the non-Arab parents. Okay, the Arabic teacher who will lead this workshop, they will speak about the curriculum expectation and focus about the curriculum more, because this is something general. And this will be very soon. I will speak with Ms. Cassie and organize the workshop. And we will do something very good. I hope you all will like it, to improve the speaking and writing, something called Talk for Writing. So this is something we will introduce for Arab student and the non-Arab. This will be from year 1 to year 6 to improve the speaking and writing. And we will have Arabic A focus group. Like we are teaching the non-Arab based on years of study. We will have also focus group for Arabic students, the students who need support, extra support, and this will start from November, inshallah. Thank you so much. And I'm here. If you have any question, I'm happy to answer. Thank you so much. Now.